If you look at number 11, the directions read, solve for the value of x by first finding the sum of the angles in the given polygon, then create an equation to add all angles that equal the total sum found. So if you count the sides of this shape, there are 5 sides, which makes this a pentagon. Now, it does not say that it's a regular pentagon, so not all angles are going to be the same. However, I know that since it's a pentagon, that the interior angles will add up to 540. And the reason I know that is because in problem number 1, we had to find how many degrees a pentagon was. Now, if I know that each angle added together needs to equal 540, I can create an equation. And I'm just going to take each angle, add it together, so x plus 135 plus x plus x plus 135, and that needs to equal 540. Now, this is just an equation that we like to solve, so let's combine like terms. 1x plus 1x plus 1x gives me 3x, and 135 plus 135 is a positive 270. Drop down the equals, drop down the 540. Subtract 270 from both sides. So 540 minus 270 is 270. Drop down the 3x. And now divide both sides by 3, and I get that x equals 90. So I could create this equation because I knew that a pentagon had an interior sum of 540 degrees. Whereas if you look at number 10, we did not do a problem yet to find the interior sum of a quadrilateral. However, you could find the sum of the interior angles by just doing 4 minus 2 times 180, and then take that value and create an equation from there. And lastly, if we look at let's just look at number 13, it says solve for the value of x by using the exterior angle sum rule. That exterior angles, when added together, you get 360. Now, exterior angles are going to be the ones that I mark. They are going to be the ones outside the shape. And depending on what the shape is, if it's a triangle has 3 angles, so there's going to be 3 outside angles. Whereas in number 12, this is a quadrilateral, which has 4 angles, and there's going to be 4 outside angles. So it always matches the shape that we're given. Now, I know that 150 plus x plus this mystery number is going to need to equal 360. But I need to know what this mystery number is. And so I can use the fact that it is a linear pair with 100 degrees. And in order to find the angle, I could do x plus 100 equals 180. Or I can find out that that missing angle is 80 degrees. Now, once I have all 2 of the 3 or only 1 missing angle, I could take 360 and subtract 150 and subtract 80. So let's go ahead and do that. I know no matter what shape it is, it has an exterior angle sum of 360. And then I'm going to subtract the angles I know, so minus 150 minus 80, and I get that 130 degrees is what x is.